Stop what you are doing and grab your pennies. The year is 1943. America is embroiled in the deadliest war in human history. Every ounce of copper is critical for ammunition and wiring. The U.S. Mint was forced to make an unthinkable sacrifice. They changed the very metal of the penny. Why was this specific year a radical departure? What shocking wartime secret makes this 1943 steel penny a target for millions of collectors? And what is the true market value of even a circulated example in fine condition in the 2025 market, especially for those with hidden attributes? We are diving into the desperate history, the metal switch, and the surprising scarcity of the finest examples of this wartime relic. The metallic betrayal, the steel transformation. The year 1943 saw the unthinkable. The iconic copper penny was temporarily abolished. To conserve copper for the war effort, the U.S. Mint switched to zinc-coated steel planchets. This created the distinct silvery gray appearance of the 1943 pennies. The Denver Mint D produced a significant number of these 1943 D steel cents. This compositional change was a shocking betrayal of tradition, a desperate measure to support the war. The steel cents were highly unpopular. They were often confused with dimes. They rusted easily. They jammed vending machines. This unpopularity meant many were damaged or destroyed, leading to a surprisingly low survival rate in pristine condition. This vulnerability to corrosion is the key to understanding its modern scarcity and value. Even a small scratch could compromise its zinc coating, leading to rust and ultimate destruction. The D Mint marked the den of production. The 1943 D steel penny carries the D Mint mark, signifying its production at the Denver Mint. While over 217 million 1943 D steel cents were produced, this number is misleading. The harsh conditions of wartime circulation, combined with the coin's inherent flaws, meant a vast majority were damaged or worn to oblivion. The true hunt is for examples that survived the war and decades of circulation, in even fine condition or better. A coin in fine condition will show significant wear, but all major design elements will be clear. The zinc coating is critical. Any sign of heavy rust or flaking dramatically reduces its value. The D Mint mark is simply crucial for identifying the origin, but it does not inherently guarantee rarity unless combined with condition. The Market Reality Grading and Value Assessment 2025. The value of the 1943 D steel penny is a stark lesson in condition rarity and the ghost of wartime urgency. Circulated grades. Good to fine. A 1943 D steel penny in fine condition will show moderate even wear. All lettering and the date should be clear. In the 2025 market, such a coin can typically sell for $0.25 to $1.00 US dollar. This is a modest premium above face value due to its historical significance. Very fine VF20 to VF30 with more detail and less wear, these can fetch $2 to $5 US dollars. Extremely fine EF40 to EF49, showing very light, where on high points these can range from $5 to $15 US dollars. About uncirculated 050 to 058, nearly flawless, with only traces of where these command $15 to $50 US dollars. Uncirculated MS60 to MS63, these are surprisingly difficult to find due to the coin's fragility. Values range from $50 to $150 US dollars. Gem uncirculated MS65 to MS67, this is where the shocking value truly emerges. A flawless 1943 D steel penny with full original luster and no rust is a certified rarity. An MS65 example can easily fetch $200 to $500 US dollars. An MS66 or MS67 is exceptionally rare and can sell for $1,000 to over $3,000 US dollars, sometimes even higher at premier auctions. The key is the complete absence of rust and full zinc plating. The most shocking aspect of the 1943 steel cents is the existence of the 1943 copper penny. This is one of the most famous and valuable era coins in U.S. history. A few copper planchets from 1942 were accidentally struck in 1943. These copper 1943 pennies are extraordinarily rare, with a handful known, and they sell for millions of dollars. While your 1943 D steel penny is not one of these multi-million-dollar copper errors, its existence is a direct result of the mint's attempt to avoid using copper, a truly ironic twist of fate. Every 1943 steel cent is a reminder of this ultimate error coin. The 1943 D1-cent steel penny is more than just a coin. It is a tangible piece of World War II history, a symbol of sacrifice and innovation under pressure. While a circulated, fine example holds modest value, its true importance lies in its story and the extreme rarity of truly pristine specimens. Every single 1943 steel penny you encounter tells a tale of a nation at war, a mint making drastic changes, and a coin that fought against its own nature to survive. Its unique composition and history ensure its place as a perpetually fascinating collectible. If you have enjoyed this cinematic exposé of the 1943 D steel penny, then do not forget to subscribe to Royal Coin Value USA. Make sure to press the bell icon to ensure you never miss our in-depth analyses of rare and valuable coins.